Hi everyone, welcome back for QBO Tips 2021. 2021 has been, like 2020, another crazy year. We've had vaccines, masks went away, concerts came back, COVID came back, masks came back. And the government continued to change the opportunities and incentives for small businesses. I'm talking about more PPP loans. Hello, round 2. PPP round 1 forgiveness. Employee retention credit updates. Tax season. It was extended again. I love that, by the way. Not really. The IRS continues to be behind. Either that or they just hate taking my phone calls. And various state and local grant opportunities continue to abound. So, while I aimed for a summer QBO Tips series, once again I am settling for a fall series. Okay, not quite fall, but give me one day here. Anyway, Intuit continues to update all levels of QBO. Since we're now back, it just seems to make sense to do a features recap in order to kick off QBO Tips 2021. So, let's begin. All right, first we have Autopay. Who doesn't like getting paid? And making it simpler for all of those involved. It is what it sounds like it is. Customers can opt in to automatically paying the invoices you send them. Simple as that. It's really awesome though. Next is Schedule Pay. Again, let's get paid, people. And again, it is what it sounds like it is. It helps your customers pay you on time by allowing them to schedule when they would like to pay you. And lastly, along with getting paid, invoices and estimates are really due for a makeover. The workflow for using them is getting a refresh. This is in not only how you build and create them, but also the features that are available within those modules. Now, those are some of the splashier ones, but lesser seen updates continue as well. QuickBooks Online Advanced is constantly enhancing their custom fields, batch actions, reports, workflows and automations, and custom role capabilities, just to name a few. For example, custom roles continues to be woefully inadequate if you're a power user or looking for that fine-tuning like you get in desktop, but they will continue to be updated and improved. Likewise, QuickBooks Online Payroll keeps adding features. Some of the highlights are the adding of employee work locations, and this is due to the rise of remote employees and remote work. You also have more automated payroll features and employee self-onboarding with flexible setup to help you get started with an employee before you actually have all of their information, which is very helpful. Okay, wow, that was way more than I thought and just the tip of the iceberg. I will circle back and dive deeper into some of these along with additional features in the weeks ahead. I hope that helps you guys out. Thanks so much for watching, and welcome back.